Sometimes my love may be put on hold. Sometimes my heart may seem awful cold.
Alright, so we're at this that was not smart. Oh jeez. Oh, coming in hot. Oh. Oh, lit. That's mad lit. He's cracking. Oh, he cooking. Yo, dude, it's John Marston.
This whole thing is illegal, Sonny. There's a treacherous area, don't go this way. Yeah, you think I don't see that?
I don't know. You're kind of, oh dude, don't come up here. Oh boy, oh boy.
Here we go, found the foothold.
You're a moron. Oh, it's cold. Here, Chester, take this.
This is so sketchy.
I know, it doesn't matter. The mind has
You have to like really, be really careful when you step. I kind of rushed up there.
Rush up.
You ain't never too much, I ain't no rush now. You got me wondering if I'm ever gonna come down.
No, not right now. Let's go around. I want to take more pics. Chill.
Oh, he's lit it with his tongue. Damn.
Oh, he just ate that. There's no way that's healthy.
Nice.
He looked at us. It's a firebender. I see that. I saw. Yeah. Today we're gonna see how long we can go for breathing asbestos. Coming up. I thought that was Darian for a second.
Darian?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, it kind of looks like her.
Hey, baby. Oh, geez, this isn't safe.
Chester, you are not smart.
Don't know about this one.
All right, Rick.
This is
getting intense.
Yeah. I say we just send it and kind of just run. Try to weave through people.
Like fish. I didn't know that.
Whoa, cool, you can crack a whip. Okay, yeah, we've seen you do it 600 times now. It just gets cooler every time you crack the whip, dude.
It does. Like, go tell her she looks like something. Yes. I love being pulled on.
Are you Miles from 2016?
Yeah.
And 17 and 18 and 19.
20.
Are you Miles?
No.
So that was the falls. It's pretty cool. Wouldn't you say? That was pretty sick.
Where do you, no, I said, where do you want to
Yeah,
get
I know.
pizza?
Oh, I don't know. Somewhere. We'll figure it out.
The Russo's.
I'm gonna fly my drone. Yeah. Yeah.
It's none of my...
Everything's my business.
What are...
You ain't never too much, I ain't no rush now. You got me wondering if I'm ever gonna come down.
Big flex. Then at the end, it was just a creepy pasta. Right.
Good drone sesh, good droning. I was droning. That was a pretty good drone. I heart chicken gravy. Poop. Yeah, baby. Leaving now, we're gonna go get some pizza. Wait, did you find where the nearest pizza place was?
That was your responsibility.
How was that? I thought no. I'm gonna rip you a 40. What was that?
Whitey.
Say it again.
Whitey.
What?
Whitey.
Huh?
White skin.
Huh?
Light skin.
What? Say it again. Say what? What was that?
Deaf ass.
What? The Endeavor. We got the pizza.
What the fuck are you filming for? Is this going on the video?
Do you have a problem with that?
Yes. Holy shit, what the fuck was that for?
You ain't never too much, I ain't no rush now. You got me wondering if
Oh, coming in hot. Oh.